Hello everyone, today I will explain you structure of flower with the help of China rose flower or hibiscus flower. Now I will first separate all the parts of this flower and then I will show you different parts of the flower. Now I have separated all the parts of the flower. Now this green color part which you see is the sepal, right? Then these colored leaves are petals which help in making the flower attractive. So honeybee and different insects are attracted by these colored part. Now these part are stamens. Stamens are male reproductive part of the flower. Now these male reproductive part of the flower, as you can see, I am focusing on this. As you can see, this structure is having a filament and this is known as anther. This lobe-like structure is known as anther. So it is having a filament and anther. So these structures are known as stamen, which is the male reproductive part of the flower. These anther contain pollen grain and which contain male gamete of the flower. Now let us study about the female part of the flower. Now this is the female part of the flower. This female part consists of 3 different parts. This female part of the flower, female reproductive part of the flower is known as pistil. It consists of 3 parts. This is a stigma, then this tube-like structure is known as a style and the swollen structure is known as ovary. When we open this ovary, inside the ovary, we can see minute ovules are present. So we can see ovules are present inside the ovary. These ovules later on develop into seed. Now I will explain this whole structure of flower. Now these green color parts, leaf-like structures which are present at the base are known as sepals. Then the red color or the colored part of the flower or leaf-like colored part of the flower are known as petals. These petals make the flower attractive so that different insects, different birds are attracted towards the flower. Now let us see the male reproductive part of the flower. These are known as stamens. The stamen is the male reproductive part of the flower. Male part. This stamen consists of 2 parts. This filament-like structure known as filament and this part is known as anther. This anther produces pollen grain and pollen grain consists of male gametes. Male gametes are the male reproductive cells of the flower. Now in the center you can see this part. This part is the female reproductive part of the flower. This female reproductive part of the flower is known as pistil. This pistil consists of 3 structures. This topmost structure is known as stigma. This stigma is quite sticky in nature so that pollen grain can stick on this. Then this tube-like structure is there which is known as style. And the swollen structure at the base is known as ovary. Inside the ovary, seed-like structures are present which are known as ovules. Inside the ovule, female gametes are present.